Okay, today we have an equation 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. So let's solve it. 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. We multiply them and we get 4. So 4 is a solution. And this solution is completely wrong according to the Pemdas, or order of the operations, which says that we need to do parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplications or divisions with the same priority, and then additions and subtractions, again with the same priority. And when we call the same priorities, we need to work from left to right. So now let's solve it in a correct way. So we have parentheses first, so let's calculate them. We have 3 minus 5, so we get minus 2. And here we have 3 minus 5. And remember, this is still in the parentheses. We still need to multiply this with 5. We usually write negative numbers in the parentheses. Do not misinterpret it as the operation. So now we need to do the multiplication here. So we get 3 minus, and this multiplication. We get a 5 times minus 2, so again we get a negative number, so we need to write it in the parentheses. We get minus 10. And now the only thing to do is a subtraction. And if you subtract a negative number, you can basically combine these two minuses to create one big plus. So we get 3 times 10. So in the end, we get 13. 13 is the final answer. If you want to truly test yourself in Pemdas, watch this video next. Don't forget to subscribe.